You may be wondering why me and my friends are not touching the floor, because today we're gonna be playing
Forest Lava!
Yeah! Oh wait.
Oh crap, I'm touching the floor like crazy, bro!
Yeah, okay, so
Alright,
we're starting
let's
at
start.
couch. We're starting at couch.
Alright, so for the first
Okay.
part, let's not use the grapple.
I could have touched it.
Yeah, I think I know where to go. Up here. Or you can go that way.
If you fall, you restart.
Yeah, we have to restart everything.
Okay, I fell.
No. Oh! Oh my god.
Okay,
Okay, this is
alright. Okay.
Okay. Where are we gonna go now? are we
To this rock.
Wait, let's go where the ogre is. Let's go to the ogre.
No, let's go. Alright, then. Okay.
I might need my flashlight also.
How will we go make money?
That's a good question.
I touched the ground.
Oh my!
Bro, you can't get mad. It's floor's lava, bro.
No, I mean like, oh my god, like we have to go back.
I fell.
Oh my god!
I'm starting.
Wait for me, wait for me.
I fell.
Wait for me. I'm right behind this damn wall. This is easy.
Alright, go up here.
Ah!
Hi, white. Go
Oh my
here.
god, that was so close. Oh my god. Yo, why are you guys all the way over there? You left me.
Hi, green.
Yo, I almost just fell. If one of us falls, we all restart.
He fell.
No, he didn't.
Yeah, I did.
Oh my
Yeah, he
god.
Bro, we can't keep.
Speedrun, hurry! Yo. We're doing a video right now.
Okay, I'm starting. Oh
We're
my
doing
god,
a
it's
video
a
right now.
glitch.
Yo.
Oh my
Yo,
god.
who are you guys?
Oh.
Yeah.
Let's do
Who are you guys? Because we're making a video.
We duping, bro.
Yeah, but in this
you
lobby,
duping?
really?
I want to do.
Yeah,
I want to do. I know how to do.
we know.
Bro, why does it have to be in our lobby?
Well, we're going already, so.
Talking to him, not me, bro. He look at you, not me.
What
Why
I do
not?
for you guys? I
Bro,
got
just
to
leave.
do.
Bro, just leave.
Oh, hell no, anyhow. You better leave faster than you know.
We were here first, bro.
Oh my
yeah.
god.
lag bags. He got lag bags. We need to do lag bags.
Maybe shove that in my face and never again. What are you
Put the lag
doing?
bags away.
Never mind. Okay,
this kid
put the lag
doing?
bags away, please.
Don't
What
talk
was,
smack
what
to
was
me.
that in there? What was
Don't
that?
talk smack to me.
A lot of
Don't talk smack to me.
Alright,
bet, let's
Dude, what was in there?
You know what?
Tell
You know
me.
what? Let's just join a new code. Let's just join a new code. Just add a 1 to the code.
I want to dupe. I want to dupe with them, but
Can we?
Just
I want to do
join
the lag
one-
bag really quick.
Oh my god.
I want to dupe. Wait, what are
I
you
just want to.
duping?
Hold on, I'll join.
What are you
I'm joining.
duping?
TNT 1-1.
What are you duping?
Let's just do it us
Should I
two.
tell him?
No, what do you?
Let's
Send
just
them
do it-
friend request though.
Oh no.
Yeah, only,
Duping something rare.
but only me and you, only me and you.
All right.
The only thing.
Alright,
What was this kid duping?
We do not want to dupe. We want to do Floor's Lava, right?
Restart the video.
Now we don't need to restart. Let's just keep going. So
Right.
so again, sorry for what just happened, right?
Yeah.
Like those are just a bunch of douchebags.
Yeah.
He They almost broke our game. And if we didn't add each other, we wouldn't even see.
I got lag bags. Okay, I could have fought back against them.
Really?
Yeah, I got lag bags.
What does lag bags do?
It just lags your game.
What,
It just
I mean-
has like a lot of glitch items.
Wait, what are the glitched items?
I don't know. It ranges. Mine have like a bunch of rocket launchers on top of one quiver inside.
So that's why mine's really weak. But theirs probably had like bags inside of bags.
How do you even do that? Bags inside of bags.
I don't know. It's old. I have it.
We can walk here, but we cannot touch down there. I don't even know how we're even surviving. I almost fell. Oh my, I'm almost falling. My luck is going down, but it's also going up.
Oh my lord.
I think
Oh
they
my-
joined, so we may want to get away. It's still gonna lag our game though.
What?
Haunted Mansion or
Chicken.
chicken?
Yeah, we need to beat up that chicken without dying and not touching the floor.
Ow.
I don't know. That's a good question. Wah. Wah. Oh! Oh!
Here, we can touch its like spawn, but hold up.
We can touch the rocks. They're on the floor, but they're not part of the floor.
Yeah.
I might not do that anymore. Are you sure you want to die? I see him. Don't get close to it yet. Nice. Now I need my. We don't need this. SOIS, so side. Keep it
Got
up.
the egg.
Nice.
I got the egg.
Did you put it? We're
You wanna grab this monkey thing real quick
monkey thing?
to sell?
You might wanna not touch the floor. Wait, it's still there.
Oh, it's not for me.
Okay, no.
You empty yours out then. You empty your monkey out.
It's right there.
Okay.
What? You have two Yo, we can sell that. We just duplicated.
I don't think we should be saying that in the video.
Oh, right.
Alright, let's go.
Yeah, before this ugly eye
Hold on.
comes back.
Oh my lord.
What happened?
I about just touched the floor.
Your what? Your bag?
Alright, huh?
Your bag?
No,
Oh, hi, buddy boy.
touched the floor. Hi, ogre.
Hi, Ogre.
Hi, Ogre,
Why you
Ogre.
look so ugly when you look up? Haha, bro missed. Bro missed so badly.
What's he throwing at, bro? Oh,
I
get
know.
your light out.
Wait, I need someone to step on. Oh, right here. Right here is somewhere I can step on. Oh, my light
Did you get it out?
My light just rolled down.
I can get it.
No, I'm actually serious. It just rolled down.
We'll make an exception if we touch the floor this time. Because we need our loot.
Oh, never mind. Let's not go here anymore. Oh, you found it?
Yeah.
Where? Let me see.
Down here.
Turn it on. Oh, I see it. I see it. Can I have it?
Yeah, hold up. You wanna go to my mimic tunnel?
No, let's like go back. Let's go back. But this time let's go to sewers.
Sewers.
Yeah.
Alright.
Guess we don't need our flashlights, but we do need something to fight back with. Oh, I forgot! There was no ceiling, but I didn't touch the floor at least. Yo, you still there?
Oh. I don't know how to put this, but yeah,
What?
we have to restart.
What? No, no. We already went too far. We are not restarting. We already restarted, but this time let's like not try to let's like try. But if we touch the floor, we don't have to restart. Let's like we don't have to restart. We can just keep going.
What if I just open this egg or ate it? Alright, sell them.
Oh wait.
Yeah, the monkey thing.
Wait, sell yours. You have one. No, you have one too.
It took it away.
Oh right. Why are you trying to eat them?
Bye, Harambe. Bye, Harambe, Georgie. Harambe, Jorge.
Wait, your pickaxe.
What?
The thing you were gonna fight with. Where is it?
It's in my bag. Hold up. Ready? Hold up.
But can I show you a song?
Sure.
Look.
So, how much money did we? If you sell me, I'm gonna be mad. Try and sell me.
I'm not. Okay.
Try.
Where are you even going? Let's go.
Alright, let's go. My headset's pretty low, so I gotta go plug in my headset.
Okay.
I'll make an exception if I touch the floor because when I have to walk to plug in my headset, so.
Yo,
Where you at?
I'm up here.
Hold up.
Get him, man.
Alright.
Wait. Do bones break? Do bones break? Like these type of
Yeah.
bones?
Yeah.
Wait, they break?
Mhm.
But let me go buy a. I'm gonna save this because I never had it before. But I'm gonna go buy a
Save what?
Huh?
Save what?
I'm gonna go buy the crowbar. But oh, gang, let's play one.
let's play.
I somehow just went slinging away.
I'll just be like watching, cause I can't do not touch the lava. I can't do lava with my headset charging, so I'll try my best, but it's gonna be hard.
Okay.
Drop down to sewers.
Yeah, I'm coming. Wait for me. We have to try grappling at the last second. Oh my god, I made it. Do you think we need the light more or something else? Why'd you move?
I don't know.
Why'd you gotta move?
Cause we're in the air, he can't get us.
You can come down. I'll give you an exception.
I died.
I know, but I'm gonna give you an exception to go back down and touch the floor.
Why? Because I need to. Coming down. Get my stuff. Or you don't have to, but.
Oh, hi. Did it? It's only an exception for you.
Oh, there's one right here. There's one right here.
What? There's what?
Hold on, babe. Hold y'all.
What the heck?
Yo, I wanna sell the cup kinda.
What cup?
Never mind. Oh, this umbrella's gonna be a for me because I'm on one charger.
That umbrella, really? Why'd you gotta do that?
Yeah, I can't play on the charger. I'm just gonna.
Please come. I'll give you an exception just because you're on the charger.
My headset even let me check. 14.
Just try playing, get your stuff, and then put the charger back on.
I don't know what to do then. What do you want to do?
What?
What do you want to do?
Like instead of flows lava?
Cause I ain't got nothing to do. I can. Cause
Could you go to the sewers place again? Like because I just came back up somehow, and I cannot see nothing. It's just total, like there's just straight up walls.
then I don't know what's happening. We may have to like resume the video.
Why?
I don't know. Everything is going wrong.
I'm gonna join back the game. I'm gonna leave the game and join back, okay?
Accept my friend request, and the code is TNT11.
Okay, I already know. Sorry, but I'm gonna leave the game because my game is broken. And I'm gonna go again. Yeah. And if you want to add me, this is me. And I'll be right back.